Bags under my eyes, I'm tired and exhausted. Bags under my eyes, I think I fucking lost it. A week ago right now, way back when everything I wanted, come within. The sweetest rot, the dirtiest love, stuck on something I don't wanna give up. All of this to come out of the closet. Goddamn man, I'm fucking exhausted. Money in the bank isn't ever enough. Looking at the president, I think we're out of luck. My favorite band plays not even once a year. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Bags under my eyes, I'm fucking exhausted. Bags under my eyes, so goddamn exhausted. Definitely fucking lost it way back when. Somehow I still keep trying. Then when I grow up, this is how it's gonna be. A broken phone, 20-inch TV, shitty guitar that I got for free, red pair of sweaters and worn out sheets. I don't really care, it all feels important, but I'm working full time at 17. Am I supposed to have other dreams? Things I want I can't afford, so I just keep working towards. I don't know man, I'm fucking exhausted. Bags under my eyes, so goddamn exhausted. I think it's almost time that I really truly lost it.